Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share a link on an Instagram post in just a few steps. First, open YouTube on your mobile phone. Then, tap on the channel logo in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on View Channel. Here, I take a screenshot to post on Instagram and to add the link. Now, I crop the image and keep only the thumbnail. After cropping, I tap Done. Now, we have the image ready to post on Instagram. So open Instagram. Tap the plus icon in the center at the bottom. Select the image from here and tap Next. Tap Next again. Here, I scroll down, and you can see there's no option to add a link. For that, we'll go back. Tap on Add Caption. Type, "This video link is in the bio." After writing this, tap OK. Then, tap Share below. In this way, our post is now published. Now to add the link, go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Add Link. Tap on Add External Link. To paste your video's URL, go to your YouTube channel. Tap on the three dots next to the video. Then, tap on Share and copy the link. Now, go back to your Instagram account and paste the copied URL here. Write the title of your video here. After writing the title, tap OK in the top right corner. And that's it. How to share a link on an Instagram post. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.